Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to make slow motion video in your Motorola smartphone. Before proceeding this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your camera and then you have to swipe right. Here it is slow motion, or you can swipe left also. Click on slow motion video and you have to just make it like this. Just tap on this red button to start the recording, and you have to just do this. And I have made a slow motion video. This is how you can make it. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.